Welcome back to the Get Lost project. Today I'm taking you to Sida, Turkey, just around 1 hour from Antalya Airport, and more specifically, Sida Moon Palace Hotel. This video is a full stay experience, the room, food, drinks, pools, beach and spa, and at the end I'll show you what you can explore on foot around Sida because this place has way more to offer than just a hotel, so let's get lost. We'll start with the room. Straight away, the first thing you notice is how clean, modern and spacious everything feels. Neutral tones, comfortable bed, plenty of storage, exactly what you want after a long travel day. The bathroom is sleek with a walk-in shower, good water pressure and hotel toiletries are included. Nothing over the top, just solid quality done right. And that's something you'll notice a lot here. Sida Moon Palace isn't trying too hard, it's just consistently good. We stayed in a standard room, which comfortably accommodates up to 4 guests. The room is well equipped, featuring a secure in-room safe, a spacious table, and a fully stocked minibar. The minibar offers a wide selection of beverages, including Sprite, Fanta, Coca-Cola, beer and water, and many more. One detail worth highlighting is the generously sized wardrobe, something many hotels tend to overlook, providing ample storage space for comfortable stays. Next, we head to the lounge and bar area. This is where the ultra all-inclusive really starts to shine. Cocktails, spirits, soft drinks, all included. And the best part? You never feel rushed. Everything feels relaxed, social and easy. Load up on guns, bring your friends, it's fun. You can see the full cocktail menu here. Classic, colorful mixes and refreshing summer drinks. Whether you're a mojito person, an Aperol Spritz fan or just want something cold by the pool, you've covered. From the hotel to the beach, it's about a 50-minute walk, flat and easy. But if you do not feel like walking, there's also a hotel shuttle bus running regularly. You can see the timetable here, which makes beach days completely stress-free. No planning, no taxis, just grab your towel and go. The hotel beach area is exactly what you want in Sida. Soft sand, sandbeds, umbrellas, and yes, food and drinks included here too. I'm worse at what I do best, and for this gift I feel blessed. There's a beach bar and a restaurant serving burgers, salads, light meals, and a one surprise highlight: freshly fried donuts, hot, crispy, slightly dangerous in the best possible way. Back at the hotel, let's check out the pool area. There are multiple pools, including 5 water slides for kids and adults. It's lively but never chaotic. You'll also find a mini theatre for shows and entertainment, a snack bar serving burgers, salads, fish fingers and more, and a 24/7 bar, all included in the ultra all-inclusive. Yes, 24 hours. Day or night, there's always something open. And this is the hotel at night. Completely different vibe, soft lighting, calm music, and the resort glow that makes everything feel a bit more special. This is where Sida Moon Palace really feels magical. We walk back through the lobby, elegant, spacious, and always alive. On the way, we pass Café Diamant, the hotel's coffee and patisserie spot. Cakes, pastries, proper coffee, perfect for a quiet break or a late night treat. Then it's time for dinner at the Italian a la carte restaurant. Quick pan of the space, intimate, stylish, relaxed. We start with fish, followed by mains, beautifully presented and full of flavor. It is a nice change of pace from the main buffet and well worth booking. After dinner, we head one floor down. Here you'll find the spa facilities, meeting rooms, a disco club, and the gym.
I can't tell where my journey will end, but I know where to start. They tell me I'm too young to understand. They say I'm caught up in a dream. Life will pass me by if I don't open up my eyes. Well, that's fine with me. So wake me up when it's all over, when I'm wiser and I'm older. All this time I've been finding myself, and I didn't know I was lost. So wake me up when...
The gym overlooks the indoor pool, which is heated, perfect for cooler evenings or winter stays.
All this time I've been finding myself, and I didn't know I was lost.
In the pool, there is also a separate jacuzzi, ideal for slowing things down after a long day. Now let's talk about breakfast, because it deserves its own moment. You'll find pita bread, garlic bread, toasted bread, croissants, local cheeses and produce, salads and dairy options. Eggs, every way possible. Hard, soft, poached, Benedict. Omelets made to order with your choice of ingredients. This is one of those breakfasts where you accidentally eat for an hour.
That's meant for everyone, and well, love is the prize. So wake me up when it's all over, when I'm wiser and I'm older. All this time I've been finding myself, and I didn't know I was lost. So wake me up when it's all over, when I'm wiser and I'm older. All this time I've been finding myself, and I didn't know I was lost. 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 I didn't know, I didn't know, I didn't know.
Cause you're a sky full of stars. I'm gonna give you my...
Dinner is just as impressive. Multiple meat cuts, pizzas, cheeses, and then desserts. Baklava in different styles, cakes, pastries, something for every sweet tooth. If you like variety, you'll love this.
I'm gonna
One of the biggest advantages of this hotel is the location. Within about a 30 minutes walk you can explore Cedar Old Town Market. Cedar's Old Town was once a major Roman port. Today it's where ancient history meets modern street life. Fun fact, cedar means pomegranate, in ancient Anatolian a symbol of abundance. Ancient ruins under glass walkways. Walking over history, these ruins are over 2,000 years old and preserved beneath modern pathways. Cedar is one of the few places where daily life happens directly above Roman ruins. Cedar Harbor, once filled with Roman trade ships, today this harbor is all about sunsets and sea views. Dinner with a view, history, sea and sunsets all in one frame. Hidden ruins tucked between quiet streets. Cedar's history is everywhere if you look closely. Cedar Antique Teatro. This Roman theatre once held 15,000 spectators, larger than some modern stadiums. Vespasian Gate. This gate marked the grand entrance to ancient Cedar. It was named after Emperor Vespasian, who helped restore the Roman Empire's finances. Cedar Promenade, a peaceful coastal walk with ancient ruins on one side and the Mediterranean on the other. The promenade follows the outline of the ancient city walls. The view from Yasemin Street, one of the best hidden viewpoints in Cedar, especially at golden hour. Cedar's most iconic landmark, best visited at sunset, the temple of Athena and Apollo. Apollo is the god of light, music and prophecy, fitting for this glowing spot. Beach huts near Robinson Hotel. Calm waters, soft sand and a quieter side of Cedar. Cedar Moon Palace Hotel is one of those places that just works. Great food, strong ultra all-inclusive, beautiful surroundings and a location that lets you explore real history without needing a car. If this video helped you, inspired you or made you hungry, you know what to do. Until the next journey, get lost.